Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. This is actually going to be my last video for the evening. As you can see, it's pretty wicked outside. We still have horizontal snow. We have buried cars. That car earlier, it's almost completely buried. And that SUV is right there. It's now actually way past, it's up to the windows now. So, well guys, it's the first blizzard, 2016, January 23rd, 2016, Bronx, New York. It's been a wicked, wild, white, windy day. How much of this has been geoengineered? Not sure. I know geoengineering and weather manipulation had something to play in this. Because as I said in one of my other videos, 4 days before this storm came in, 3 out of those 4 days it was perfectly clear, not one spray, blue skies. And then the day before this, heavy spraying, as if they were seeding the front of the storm to make a bigger impact. And of course, as I said, we've got a lot of videos on YouTube where people are attempting to burn and melt snow and this, that, and a third. Well, as soon as I'm actually able to get a chance to get back outside and collect a sample of this, I will be performing that experiment to see if the snow will actually burn and char, as they have supposed viral videos on YouTube about this. This is incredible. The time is 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
You have a consistent record. We all change our minds on a few things every now and then when the facts change, but he has been on the other side.
This has been going on
issues like abortion,
all day long, folks.
Taxes, and even immigration.
Got ice all over the place. Oh, it's incredible.
And Ronald Reagan spent about 30.
This is basically what we're dealing with. It's supposed to continue through the night. Last update on the temperature for local weather, I believe it was 25, 26 degrees. And winds are now gusting between 25 and 32, 33 miles an hour. And as you can see, the snow is still horizontal. It's been going from left to right all day. So much for global warming. Global warming freaks. Global warming. Weather manipulation. This is a freaky snowstorm.
A lot of times I'm laughing and applauding right along with his supporters, but conservatism is I don't really believe.
Straight icicles. Icicles, 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 ice, snow. It's just everything. Well guys, as I said, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. This is actually going to be my last video for the evening. Said it's a little after 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's January 23rd, 2016, Bronx, New York. It's our first blizzard of the year. Hope you've enjoyed the videos today. Till next time, see you guys in the morning. like I said, this is my last one. I'm signing out. So talk to you guys later. Good night. Peace out. Stay warm. Stay out of the snow. At least if you can avoid it. Good night, everybody. See y'all tomorrow.